What exactly is Cucumber? Cucumber is an automation tool which is used to conduct tests against a specific system, in turn saving time and reducing manual labour. There are three main components which are essential when developing a Cucumber framework. The first key component is a feature file. Feature files are developed using a language called Gherkin. This language was designed and developed so that non-technical people would be able to understand the information and the requirements which are captured inside one or more feature files. Feature files can be created and in turn fed inside a Cucumber framework. The second key component is step definition classes. Step definition classes are required to connect our feature files to Selenium Code and in turn produce the actions required for our specific tests. Finally, we need to embed Selenium Code inside our framework, which will perform the relevant actions for our test cases. All these three key components are connected together and will enable us to produce and execute test cases against the system which we currently need to test. So to recap that again, we have feature files. Feature files capture the requirements for our test cases. Feature files are developed using a language called Gherkin, which is easily readable to non-technical person. We then have step definition classes which link our feature files to Selenium Code. So it's basically step definition classes are the middleman between our feature files and our Selenium and Java code. And lastly, when we connect these three key components together, we can then have the relevant infrastructure or framework which will enable us to conduct tests against the system which we are currently testing. Let's say, for example, we need to test a specific website. We then connect the three components together and then execute our relevant test cases against that specific website.